to Maths Club. I'm your maths tutor Sabah, and today I will teach you some questions related to a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. As I have taught you some formulas related to algebra in my previous video, now I will solve questions related to a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, and in my upcoming videos I will solve more questions related to more formulas I have taught you in my previous video. So let's start. Hi students, I have the question: find the value of x square plus 1 over x square and x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 if x plus 1 over x is equal to 6 and x minus 1 over x is equal to 2. Okay, first of all I'm going to solve this one. Okay, to solve this one, as I know, I have to find the value of this and this. So first of all I am going to convert this square. Here you can see this value is in square and this value is in power 4. So I am going to convert this value in the form of squares. Okay, whenever you want to convert any value in the form of squares, you should apply squaring on both sides. So I am going to solve this one, squaring on both sides. X plus 1 over x whole square is equal to 6 square. Here you can see this is now become the whole square. Okay, so as I have told you in my previous video, if you have two values adding and you have whole square on them, then you should use a plus b whole square formula. As here you can see this value, assume this value as a and this 1 over x as b. So I am using here formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab and plus b square. Okay, now you can see these two values are adding and these two values have whole square on them. So I am applying this formula here, and now I am opening the bracket according to this formula. Here you can see a is x, x is square plus 2 will be same, a is x and b is 1 over x, again plus sign will be same, and b is 1 over x square. And then what about this? The square of 6 is 6 multiplied by 6 mean 36. Square of 6 means you have to multiply 6 two times. Okay, you have to multiply 6 itself 2 times. So 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. So I am writing 36 here. Okay, I hope students you understand these steps very well. Now I am going to remove this area to solve further steps. If you want to copy down, you can copy these steps, and if you don't want to copy, then you don't need to copy. Okay, if you want to copy down, then you can stop and pause my video. Okay, I am going to erase these two parts to do further steps. Okay, now I am writing the next step of this is, this will be x square and this is 2x 1 over x plus 1 over x square is equal to 36. Now here you can see, here x is multiplying and here x is dividing. Okay, whenever two things are multiplying and dividing each other, then we should cancel these two. Okay, now I am writing the next step. X square plus 2 plus 1 over x square is equal to 36. Okay, as you already know that I have to find the value of x square plus 1 over x square. Okay, so which thing is extra here? 2 is extra here. Now I am going to shift this to here. I am raising these steps. If you want to copy down, you can stop and pause my video to copy down all the steps. Okay students, now here this value is now x plus 1 over x square is equal to 36. Now whenever you want to shift any value from the other side of is equal to, then you should change the sign. Here you can see this value has plus sign, and after shifting this value become minus 2. Okay, so now x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 36 minus 2 is equal to 34. So 34 is the answer of this. I am highlighting it. I hope students you understand these all the steps very well. Okay, now let's come to this one. Okay, to do this I am going to raise all the steps. And I am writing this here to solve to make it x power 4. Okay, 34. Now I am erasing this from here. Okay, as you can see here the power is in the form square, not in the form power 4. So to convert this square into 4, I am going to again apply squaring on both sides, and then this value will become x power 4. So again I am putting squaring on both sides. Okay, I am writing here x square plus 1 over x square whole square is equal to 34 square. Okay, again here you can see these two values are adding, and these two values have whole square on them. Then which formula I should use? I am going to use the formula a plus b whole square. So I am writing here a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab and plus b square. Okay, now I am going to open this bracket according to this x square, then I have another square of the formula plus 2 to x square plus 1 over x square plus the value of b is 1 over x square, another square, and 34 square. Okay students, here you can see some values are cancelling each other, as this value is in the place of multiply and this value is in the place of divide. Whenever two same things are multiplying and dividing each other, we can easily cancel. Now I have cancelled these two. Now I am going to solve the next step. Okay, to solve the next step I am not going to erase this because this is the value of this, so it will I am not going to erase now. I am erasing these two steps. Okay, let's write the next step. And before writing the next step, I am going to putting this thing in the box, so this thing will not mix with all the steps of x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4. Okay, now okay, here you can see this x square has another square. So whenever you have two and whenever any alphabet or any whenever any alphabet have two powers, one power is in the bracket and the other power is out of the bracket, then you should multiply the two powers. So here 2 multiplied by 2 is x power 4 plus 2 will be same plus the square of 1 is 1 and 2 multiplied by 2 is x power 4 is equal to, and 34 multiplied by 34, sorry, 34 multiplied by 34 is 1156. So I'm putting here 1156. Okay, now as you know that I'm finding the value of this. So which thing is extra here? 2 is extra here, and I'm going to shift 2 here. So writing x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 is equal to 1156. Whenever you are shifting any value from the other side of is equal to, then you should change the sign. Here you can see this value has plus sign. Now here this value has negative sign. So what is the value? 1154. So the answer of x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 is 1154. Okay, I am writing here x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 is 1154. So I have found the value of this and this with this. Okay, so okay, now I'm going to solve this value, and I'm going to make this x minus 1 over x is x plus in the form of x square plus 1 over x square, and x minus 1 over x is in the form of x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4. Okay, so before doing this, you should copy all these steps. Okay students, now I'm going to solve the second part, and before solving the second part, I'm going to erase these all the steps. I'm going to solve the second part. X minus 1 over x is equal to 2. As in my last question I have solved, whenever you are converting any value in the form of squares, then you should first put squaring on both sides. So I'm applying squaring on both sides. Okay, then x minus 1 over x whole square is equal to 2 square. So which formula I should use here now? As you can see, these two values are subtracting each other, and this value has whole square on them. Then which formula I should use? I am going to use a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab and plus b square. Okay. For doing further steps, I am going to erase these two steps. If you want to copy down, you can stop and pause my video and copy all the steps. Okay, so assume this value as a and this value as b. So I'm writing I'm opening this bracket in the form of this formula. So x square minus 2x into 1 over x plus 1 over x whole square is equal to the square of 2 is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Okay, now you can see here x is multiplying and here x is dividing, so I can easily cancel them. So what I have, x square minus 2 plus 1 over x square is equal to 4. Okay, for doing further steps, I am going to erasing this part. Okay, now I am going to write this value with each other, and which value is extra here? I am going to shift this extra value here. So x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 4, and here whenever you are shifting any value on the other side of the equal to, then you should convert the sign. Here this value has minus sign, now this value has plus sign. So x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is the answer of this part. I am highlighting this part here. Okay. So students, if you want to copy, you can copy down by stopping or by pausing my video. Now I am going to do this part with this value. Okay. For doing the other part, I am going to erase all the steps. Okay, first of all, I am writing, before erasing this, I am writing this as x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 6. Okay, to convert these values in the form of x power 4, I am going to apply squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So I am writing this value as x square plus 1 over x square whole square is equal to the 6 whole square. Okay, which formula I should use here? Should I use a minus b whole square as I have used that formula in my last step? No. It is depending on the sign which formula we should use. Here you can see these two values have plus sign, not minus sign. If these two values have minus sign, then I will use a minus b whole square formula. But here these two values have plus sign, so I am going to use the a plus b whole square formula. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, I'm going to taking this aside. Okay, for doing further steps, oh sorry, I have erased the previous step. Okay, the previous step is x square plus 1 over x square whole square is equal to 6 whole square. Okay, so now let's open this bracket according to this formula. So x square whole square plus 2 x square into 1 over x square, as I have assumed this as a and this as b, plus 1 over x square whole square is equal to the square of 6 times 6 is 36. So I am going to erase these two steps to solve the remaining part of the question. So here 2 multiplied by 2 is x power 4 plus, as here you can see this value is in the place of multiply and this value is in the place of divide, so I can easily cancel it. 2 plus, and here the square of 1 is 1 square and 2 multiplied by 2 is x power 4 is equal to 36. Now you can see 2 is extra here. I am going to shift this value. So x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 is equal to 36 minus 2. And now the answer is x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 is equal to 36 minus 2 is equal to 34. So this is the answer of this value according to this question. Here x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 6 and x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 is equal to 34, and here x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 34 and x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4 is equal to 1154. All the answers. So students, I hope you understand this question very well. Okay, if you have any problem related to algebra or any other topic of math, then you can comment down below or you can message me on Instagram. I am mentioning my Instagram here. And if you want to learn any other topic or any other subject like physics, chemistry, statistics, then you can also message me on Instagram, or you can also comment down below. I will help you in all the subjects. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.